Good day. I'm healing people with the sounds. Today I start to heal uh, three down chakras. It's basic chakra, sex chakra, and solar plexus. So the sound I'll do now. Please close your eyes and vibrate under the sound of my voice. And imagine if you have any problem or if you don't, just enjoy it. Like everything goes through there, the flame, red, yellow, orange color, just cleaning your three downs chakra. Okay, let's start. Please text me about your feelings and your reaction on what I offer and promise to heal you with. I would like to continue and help people to be healthy, to be happy, recharge their body energy, recharge and cleanse their chakras and their auric body. I have a key for that because I was learning this a long time ago, more than 20 years ago, during my education in Australia, inner study University of Pranic Healing Therapy. And it's really a magic thing. I live my life through that, and life of my loved one, my children, my friends, I always help with that. So I would like to hear what you would say. Thank you very much and talk later. Om.